With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question says that which of the following statement is incorrect about the nervous system of the earthworm? Alright. Now in case of the earthworm, we all know that earthworm belongs to the kingdom Annelida, and kingdom Annelida is the invertebrate, and in case of the invertebrate they have ventral and paired nerve cord. There is presence of the ventral and paired nerve cord. Alright. Now in case of the earthworm, this is basically this paired ventral nerve cord. Alright, it is arranged by a ganglia. A ganglia is arranged on the ventral paired nerve cord. Alright, and since the body of the earthworm is segmented, hence it is segmented. Hence the ganglia is segmented, and this ganglia is usually present on the ventral paired nerve cord. Alright, now this ventral paired nerve cord, what happens? It moves further and it divides like this at the third and the fourth segment, and this moves anteriorly in the body of the earthworm, and it divides at third and the fourth segment. Okay, it divides at third and the fourth segment. Now laterally, when it has divided, what will happen? It will encircle the pharynx. Alright, it will encircle this pharynx. Pharynx is present at third and fourth segment, so it will encircle this pharynx. Alright, and it will join the cerebral ganglia. Alright, after joining the cerebral ganglia and dorsally, dorsally means for example, this is the surface of the earthworm. The above surface is known as the dorsal surface, and the below one is known as the ventral surface. So it will join the cerebral ganglia dorsally. It forms the nerve ring. What it forms? It forms the nerve ring. Alright. Now, this cerebral ganglia plus the nerve ring, what happens? It takes the stimulant or the stimuli, alright, and that is the sensory input. Means the cerebral ganglia and the nerve ring will act as a sensory input. Whenever there will be a sensation, wherever there will be a stimuli that the earthworm will experience, the input will go to the cerebral ganglia and the nerve ring. Alright, and hence it will result into the action. And what is the action? In case of the earthworm, it will be the muscular. It will result, or it will command the muscles in response to the body, and response will occur. Whatever it is, either it is a movement or basically running. Not earthworm doesn't run, but there will be a movement in case of the earthworm with the help of the muscular contraction. Alright, so now we'll look into the options over here. Nervous system is basically represented by the ganglia arranged on the ventral nerve cord. Yes, this is a true statement. Nervous system in case of the earthworm is a ganglia which is present on the ventral nerve cord. Second statement, third and fourth segment, the nerve cord bifurcate, join the cerebral ganglia dorsally to form the nerve ring. Yes, and how it bifurcates? Anteriorly it bifurcates. Here the term bifurcation means divide. Wherever the term bifurcates means, it means the division. It joins the cerebral ganglia dorsally and forms the nerve ring. Hence these two statements are correct. Cerebral ganglia along with other nerve in the nerve integrate sensory input as well as command the muscle response to the body. Yes, cerebral ganglia along with the nerve ring, they act as a sensory input, and what happens? It helps in the muscular response of the body. Okay, so there is no incorrect options in this particular question. So our correct answer for this question will be none of these. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.